All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about two cryptocurrencies. Ankr cryptocurrency, up around 15% in the last 7 days, so it's got a pretty nice uptick. And SushiSwap, up crazy 60-some% in the last 7 days. So SushiSwap and Ankr cryptocurrency, going to talk about both of them. We're also going to be talking a little bit about whales or accumulating crypto.com and Uniswap. So we're going to do a little whale alert, what whales are into, crypto.com and Uniswap. And then when we're all done, we're going to go back over to top 10, 15 and see where all the coins are. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, we'll start off with Ankr. Let's head over to Ankr cryptocurrency. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Ankr cryptocurrency is 104th crypto on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, it's up about 15% in the last 7 days. It's traded at over 11 cents, 11.5 cents. In the last 24 hours, it is up about 1.77%. Well, actually that quick, it went up to 2%. So, and it just popped up 11.5 cents. So over 2% up in the last 24 hours, 15% up in the last 7 days. Taking a look in the last 7 days, it's pretty much going from going from the bottom to the top. You know, about 9.8 cents, and it kind of kept going up to 10 cents. And as you can see here, you know, we always talk about the ATV going up the mountain. It's been pretty climbing real nice. Again, 2% up in the last 24 hours, around 14, 15% in the last 7 days. Doing a quick holders check, 3 months, real quick since we're on this token Ankr before we switch. 3 months ago, the token had 27,000 holders. Today, 31,000, that's a difference of 4. 4 would be 15%. So we've actually went up about 15% in holders in the last 90 days with Ankr cryptocurrency. That's actually pretty fantastic in only 90 days. All right. Multi-chain foundation for crypto economy. Ankr is the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi to make developing and earning easy. Your next step in crypto starts here. We've talked about this before. If you're a crypto investor, click right here. If you're a developer, click right there. Clicking as an investor, Ankr earn liquid staking. Connect your staking rewards with DeFi. And it's talking all about it. Why stake with Ankr? Micro pools, staking manager, staking liquidity, security. Ankr ETH2 staking solution provides the best user experience and the highest level of safety, combined with attractive rewards, mechanisms, and instant staking liquidity through a bond-like systematic token called AETHC. Taking a look right here.
Staking Ethereum presents many barriers: the amount of ETH, the technical demands, and continual node management. Staker removes all of these barriers instantly. Visit staker.io. Click Launch App button. Select Wallet. We support the most commonly used wallets like MetaMask for desktop and Trust Wallet for mobile. Make sure you've selected the Ethereum main network. The slider lets you select anything from 0.5 to however much Ethereum you have in your wallet. Click Stake, and Staker will stake your Ethereum automatically to the nodes with the highest reputation, all decentralized. Unlike other services, your original stake can never be slashed. Stay safe with Staker. Once staked, you will automatically receive AETH tokens, which represent your staked ETH, plus rewards, and are immediately liquid. You can trade them on Uniswap, use them in DeFi protocols, and more. Visit our dashboard daily to see how much rewards you earned. Staker, staking simplified.
All right, pretty good right there. A little staker. We can actually come back to calculating your earnings here real quick. All right, Ankr cryptocurrency. We'll come back to a price prediction in a little bit. All kinds of good stuff going on with Ankr. We got a couple more things that's going to be pretty awesome in this episode. Right now, we're going to talk about SushiSwap. This cryptocurrency is going crazy right now. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap again. Oh, don't forget hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person, you know, learn about cryptocurrency, understand it, be able to buy it one day and understand what they're buying. All right, let's head over to SushiSwap cryptocurrency. All right, SushiSwap is the 90th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Take a look at this craziness. It's up 67% in the last 7 days. 67%. In the last 24 hours, it's up 14%. I mean, big jumps going on with sushi right this second. Again, to the right here, it's up 14%, traded at $9.13. We'll do a price prediction of this a little bit later too. Take a look in the last day. This is kind of crazy. Here you go. Just go and mind your own business, mind your own. Bam! Take a look at that. I always like to look at the last 7 days. Last 7 days, this token was down here, $5.47, and now it's really came up really good. But then it just really bounced up here. So SushiSwap is going really berserk right now, which is fantastic if you had it in your wallet a few weeks ago or months ago. What is SushiSwap? Be a DeFi chef with sushi. It says swap, earn, stake, earn, lend, borrow, leverage, all in one decentralized community-driven platform. Welcome to the home of DeFi. Enter the app. Well, sushi right here, $9.11. Total liquidity, 3.3 B. Total volume, 157.59 B. And total pairs is 2440. It's got the multi-chain AMM. Enter the exchange. Bento box, D-apps, sushi staking. Let's enter the sushi bar. Right here, maximizing your yields by staking your sushi for X sushi. So same type of thing. Yesterday's APR was 6.16%. View your stats. You kind of go right here, decide how much you want to stake. For every swap on exchange on every chain, 0.05 of the swap fees are distributed to sushi proportionally to the share of the sushi bar. When your sushi is staked in the sushi bar, you receive X sushi in returns for voting rights and fully composable tokens that can interact with other protocols. Use X sushi to continuously compound. When you're unstaked, you will receive all the original deposits, sushis, and additional from the fees. Take a look at that. Sushi today, staking is 6.16 yesterday's APR. You know, it says right here, there's 20 different wallets that are supported, 14 different chains support SushiSwap, 25K in Discord members, 150,000 SushiSwap holders. Let's go to the holders. 3 months. All right, taking a look. 3 months ago, there were 72,000 holders. Right now, there's 85,000 holders. So 75 to 85,000 is 10,000. So again, about a 15% uptick of the people holding SushiSwap. Pretty good stuff here, everybody. SushiSwap going really berserk right now. Really going up. We're going to talk about whales are accumulating Uniswap and crypto.com real quick. This is altcoin whales are accumulating Uniswap and crypto.com through the dip. You know, it says whales are accumulating altcoins like Uniswap and crypto.com through this recent dip prices. Their increased accumulation by whale address is considered bullish for the alt price. Analysts have predicted in a rally of Uniswap and crypto.com. So you do want to keep those two, Uniswap and crypto.com, on your radar. It says movements on whale or large wallet holdings have influenced altcoin prices on Uniswap and crypto.com. Whales are accumulating CRO, a native token of crypto.com. Here's the increase of people holding the whales. Oh boy, the charts are going up the chart. The accumulation by a large wallet holder started the crypto.com purchase by a naming right to a Los Angeles sports arena. Uniswap, a DeFi protocol that supports exchange cryptocurrency, is among the key projects that witnessed a surge in price in the first half of 2021. Large wallet addresses are keen on adding more Unicoins to their badge through the recent dip in price. So yeah, everybody, whales are gobbling up Uniswap and crypto.com. All right, so give us your thoughts on the bottom, what you think about that. We're going to run back to Ankr and do a little price prediction and do a little SushiSwap price prediction. All right, Ankr right here is at 11.5 cents right now, up about 15%. This token was at 20 cents a few months ago for a high. So my price prediction, I think this coin gets back up to 15 cents. Not to 20, but at least to 15. All our information is for educational purposes only. But go back in the charts and take a look. It was just 20 cents a month and a half ago. So Ankr, I think that's going to go up to 14, 15 cents. All right, over here, SushiSwap up 67%. Again, this token's traded at $9. What's our price prediction? I think this token was at $22, $23 within this year. I think it can easily get back to $14 to $15, which would be a huge X up. But again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But 69% up right now. SushiSwap and Ankr are both up. Take a look at everything is up right now. Ravencoin is up 34%. Compound is up 24%. Dash is up 17%. in the last 7 days. Clio is up 22%. BAT, Basic Attention Coin, is up 24%. Thorchain is up 29%. Remember how everything was down 15 to 20%? It's reversed itself. CRV is up 27%. Cardano is up 43%. So yep, all kinds of things are up right now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So we talked about Ankr a little bit today, and we talked about SushiSwap. Both these cryptocurrencies, put them on your radar. Definitely a lot of up going on right this second. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. We'll be bringing you another video tomorrow at noon. Hey everybody, have a fantastic night.